Want to feel confident on command? These 10 psychology tricks work in minutes, and you can try the first one before this video ends. Confidence isn't a fixed personality trait. It's a state your brain enters when your body language, your attention, and your self-talk line up. In the next few minutes, we'll stack small wins that signal safety and competence to your nervous system. First, the 90-second reset. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 8. Do 2 rounds. When you lengthen your exhale, your body drops tension, your voice steadies, and your mind clears. Second, power posture, without being weird about it. Ground your feet, square your hips, open your chest, and keep your chin level. You're not faking it. You're giving your brain posture data that says safe and capable. Third, the name and eye contact rule. Say the person's name once and hold eye contact for a beat longer than usual. It signals warmth and certainty without trying too hard. Fourth, collect a micro win in the next 2 minutes. Start the smallest action related to your task. Write 1 sentence, send 1 message, open the document, and add the title. Confidence comes from evidence, and action is evidence. Fifth, reframe your self-talk. Swap, "What if I mess up?" with "What's my first useful move?" Your attention shifts from imaginary failure to a behavior you control. That reduces anxiety and starts momentum. Sixth, slow your voice by roughly 10% and finish sentences cleanly. Listeners hear authority when your pace is calm and your endings are crisp. Your brain mirrors that certainty back to you. Seventh, keep your hands visible and your shoulders relaxed. Hidden hands and shrugged shoulders read as tension. Visible hands and a soft exhale read as safety and honesty. Eighth, use an if-then social script for tricky moments. For example, if I blank, then I pause, breathe, and summarize the last point. Certainty beats perfection. One simple plan prevents spirals. Ninth mirror, don't mimic. Subtly match posture or speaking pace when rapport is building. When the nervous systems sync, your brain gets a safety signal and confidence follows. 10th, create a win file. Keep a simple folder of screenshots, notes, and small compliments. Scan it before meetings or interviews. You'll remind your brain of real, recent proof of competence. Here's a 60-second practice stack you can use before any conversation. 2 rounds of 4-4-8 breathing, quick posture check, name plus 1 beat eye contact, and a 2-minute start on the first action. That 1 minute changes the tone of your day. Avoid 3 confidence killers: chasing perfection before you start, talking faster when you're nervous, and hiding your hands. Use the stack instead and let small actions create momentum. Confidence is built, not found. Breathe, open your posture, clear your self-talk, collect micro-wins, and rely on simple if-then plans. Repeat daily and your baseline confidence will rise. Save this video and try the 60-second stack before your next conversation. Subscribe for daily psychology. Next up, how to stop overthinking with 7 tools that actually work.